specific?
So this is the Bangalore's second facility we are opening. This is the 120 beds skilled nursing facility. Mainly it's covered at OP services, physiotherapy and adult vaccination. And there's a center of daycare, transitional care, palliative care, and the post-acute hospitalization care we are providing. And I think it's a fantastic. It's a very good. It's a physiotherapy department is there, rehab and physiotherapy department is there, and the full time it's a clinical psychologist and it's a geriatrician lead organization, and it's round the clock doctors available. And I think it's mainly it's daycare services and short stay and long stay they are continuing here.
ಎರಡನೇ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಜೆರಿಕೇರ್ ಬಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆ. ಜೆರಿಕೇರ್ 8 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ 5 ಇದೇ ಥರ ರಿಸ್ಪೈಟ್ ಕೇರ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಷನ್ ಕೇರ್, ಪ್ಯಾಲಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಕೇರ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವೃದ್ಧರಿಗೆ ಅಂಥವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 24/7 24 ಗಂಟೆಗಳು ವೈದ್ಯರು ಮತ್ತು ಶುಶ್ರೂತರು, ನರ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಕೇರ್ ಗಿವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಗಿವರ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶುಶ್ರೂಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬೆಡ್ ರಿಡನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕೇರ್ಗೆ ವೆಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿಮಿತ್ತ ದಿನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂಥವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ ಥರ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು.
Gericare, this is the first facility where we have dialysis in-house. So patients who require dialysis don't have to travel. So 80 and 90 plus years who wants to have dialysis can stay here, take the dialysis, being seen by a geriatrician and nephrology team, and they can maintain that quality of life. We don't want dialysis patient to just stick to a hospital and in the travel time anything can happen. So for that, this is a more ideal solution where they can take part in the community, where they can they can be with other patients, spend their time, take part in activities, as well as come for dialysis, so that they won't feel like they are stuck with a hospital or frequently visiting hospital. So this is first of its kind, and we require your support to take it forward.